My name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the pooping sound effect from Jnescus. It's from a video called, Damn, No Toilet Paper Anywhere. It was uploaded on January 15th. The sound length from this video is 004 to 005. The farting will be removed at the beginning and the gun 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 sound will be removed at the end. Now I will show you this sound effect. It sounds like this. See? This is how the pooping sound effect from Jnescus sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet. Now I'm gonna go to the bathroom and test it. I feel much better now. Remember children, make sure you use that sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay?